TikTok Lite, why the live option stays hidden. So the hard truth, two non-negotiable gates, age requirement, you must be at least 18 years old to host a broadcast. TikTok verifies this agent your registered birth date. Follower threshold, a minimum of 1,000 followers is required to unlock the live tab, no exceptions. No workarounds. There's no secret settings, third party unlocker, or app or hidden toggle to bypass these requirements. Beyond the basic hidden eligibility blockers, standing, recent community guidelines, violations, or prior of live suspension can trigger a shadow ban or streaming permission. So even if your followers count is sufficient. So account type, business accounts often have restricted access to certain live features compared to personal creators accounts. Switching account types may restore access. Region restriction, live availability is not global. Local regulation in your country may limit or disable the feature entirely regarding of your eligibility. So here, you're qualify. So why is the bottom missing? So server sync delay. It can take 24 to 48 hours for TikTok server to register eligibility. Outdated app version. An outdated app is the most common cause of missing or grayed out live button. And account session glitch. Log out and back enforced in a session refresh. So final resolution, verify, clean and report. Verify your birth date. Check your birth date in account settings. If it's incorrect, TikTok will block access regardless of your actual age. Clear your app cache. Go to settings, app and privacy. Free a space to clear cache data you may causing interference glitch. Request a manual review. Pro tip, document your eligibility, follower count, age verification before submitting support ticket. It speeds up resolution significantly. There you guys. Hope you guys do enjoy. If you have a question, guys, at as soon as possible. And thank you guys.